This is a wolf. He is howling at the moon. This wolf looks very fierce with his sharp teeth. Wolves live on the mountain. Tigers have a stripy, furry coat. This tiger has very sharp teeth. This is a lion. He is the king of the beasts. This lion has a furry mane. This lion has big, sharp teeth. This is a chimpanzee. He looks very bold. These chimpanzees look very old. This monkey looks very cheeky.